Hi, my name is Sarah and I have Mindy here today and we are going to set up a BT CATH.
Sarah's going to demonstrate the single person inflation system for BT CATH.
So here we have our materials. Typically you're actually going to have a 500 cc bag and it may be normal saline, and that's fine. You'll have your kit here sealed. You'll have an extra cap here. This is important to have. And then your stat lock to secure it to the patient at the end.
I'm going to go ahead and read through all of the instructions, and Sarah will demonstrate as I go. Number 1, she's going to prime the easy fill tubing. First, attach the syringe to the available lower port of the easy fill tubing set. Number 2, spike a 500 ml bag of sterile saline with the bag spike bonded to the other end of the easy fill tubing set. Third, draw 10 to 20 mils of saline from the bag through the tubing into the syringe. Number 4, depress the syringe plunger until fluid flows from the tubing set. Number 5, connect the easy fill system to the available female lure connection of the BT CATH. And number 6, turn the stopcock off to the white capped port.
At this point, when you pull back fluid, it should come from your saline bag into here. So your job at this point is to keep track of the fluid so you can tell the physician how much is in there. A maximum of 500 cc's can be placed in the balloon. And at this point that you're connecting all this, the balloon is actually already in the patient, okay? So you're inserting your air, and every time you pull back, it's gonna draw from your bag, and when you push forward, it's gonna go into your balloon. Previously, our old system, you might remember you had to change the stopcock. You do not have to do that with this system. It's real great. All you do is pull and push, and you can see my balloon inflating here. And then when you've reached the number that the physician has wanted you to place, then you are done. So at this point, your balloon is full and we are ready to change our caps. So first, I'm going to put this green cap that came in my kit onto the end here. Notice that the white cap is still set to off. Next, I'm going to change this off to the balloon. And I'm going to take this cap that came in your kit, and what's important about it is that this does not have a hole, so fluid's not going to go back through it. So make sure you don't throw that away in your kit. You're going to take your syringe off, and you're going to cap that at the end there. Notice that it looks very similar to the other cap. The difference is one has a hole and one does not. So this is going to be the one that does not have the hole at the end. Okay. Then you can set up your urometer in this tubing here and secure it to your patient with the stat lock. To finalize the process, you need to go into Epic and chart this under the OB hemorrhage flow sheet. You're going to go over here to add LDA, and it's going to be a drain. You're going to put the date and the time that it was inserted, and the device type is BT CATH. You don't need to worry about number, side, or orientation. However, under location, we're going to put that it's in the uterus. For the balloon inflation, however many cc's you inserted into the balloon, and hit accept. And then you'll see it here for you to be able to chart on as far as the insertion site, drainage characteristics, and amount and output.